I need some clamps for my milling machine. I don't have time to stuff around. I need these things like 10 minutes ago. So quick and dirty it is. I've got a couple of brackets here. I was going to use them for something else, but I'm going to chuck them on the metal bandsaw, cut them in half. Chuck a bit of oil on there so it doesn't destroy the blade. The good thing about using these brackets actually is the fact that I don't have to drill half the holes. Go on, let's go, I'm in a bloody hurry. Over to the drill press we go. Center punch, mark the holes. Into the vise, and 10mm holes. It's going to give it a few good squirts of diesel and a couple of drops of oil. Try and keep that bit nice and cool so it doesn't damage it. And off over to the mill she goes. We're going to bore these holes out so they're oblong, octagonal, whatever. This is so when the clamp is on an angle, the bolt will still be able to go through there. You're not fighting with it all the time. Grab some cheap bolts, and we're going to take the shaft down about 1mm or so. Fit in the XY tray then of the mill. It'll slide through nicely. I'm going to change my bit and take off the stupid branding that's on the end, so it doesn't get all bound up inside there. Beautiful. It's almost done now. We'll just chuck it in the mill and tighten it down a little bit. And there you go, Bob's Gymjunnky. No mess, no fuss, no stuffing around, job done, and that's all there is to it. Well, there's longer videos on my channel. If you want to watch some more, subscribe, give us a tag, give us a shout, give us an oi, and until next time, we'll see you around like a missile, trendsetters.